guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you another healthy hair DIY using fenugreek seeds and fresh aloe vera. This is an all-natural hair spritz or refresher that promotes and increases hair growth and strength and reduces hair loss. Fenugreek seeds, also referred to as methi, are used in various herbal hair care products like oils, serums, shampoos, and hair packs. Fenugreek also offers many great hair benefits. It's a natural solution for dandruff. It's effective for combating hair loss, strengthening your hair and nourishing the hair roots. It promotes and increases hair growth, conditions your hair naturally and improves the texture of your hair, prevents premature graying, reduces itchiness on the scalp, and is a great hair conditioner. Aloe vera also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itchiness on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions your hair. Making this DIY is very simple. I'm going to start by using a medium-sized bowl, and to this I will pour in 1 cup of fenugreek seeds and 2 cups of water. So now I'm going to place the seeds off to the side and allow them to soak overnight. Okay, so moving on to the aloe vera plant. So here I'm going to make fresh aloe vera juice by simply extracting the aloe vera from the plant, then blending it in the blender until it's a watery mixture. Straining the aloe vera will ensure I don't get any of the hard pieces of the plant inside of my final mixture. So now it's been 12 hours later, and as you can see, the fenugreek seeds have swollen in size. So now I'm going to go ahead and strain the juice off of the seeds and place the seeds to the side. So now I'm going to take some of the mixture and pour it into a spray bottle and use this to spray my hair, and the remainder I'm going to refrigerate.